Welcome to Activity 33, Representing Addition. In this activity, we will be representing one two-part bond of 10 using bond blocks in a part-part whole diagram, numbers in an addition equation, drawn pictures, and words in a story. You will need to select one two-part bond of 10. I'm going to use the bond of 6 and 4 bond to be equal to 10. When you place your blocks, remember to place the whole on the top and the two parts that join together in the row underneath this. When we represent the addition equation, we say part add part equals whole. 6 add 4 equals 10. I will write this. 6 add 4 equals 10. When we come to drawing the pictures, we're focusing on the maths, not the art side of the drawing. So the drawing needs to have pictures that match the number 6, the number 4, and the number 10. I'm going to draw a picture about children lining up after lunch when the bell goes. And I'm going to draw 6 girls lining up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my part of 6. And I'm going to draw a part of 4 and 4 boys. The 10 is all of the children. So my part of 6 is the girls, my part of 4 is the boys, and the whole of 10 is the whole line. I'm going to write this with words. You can tell it to an adult if that's easier. So in line after lunch, in line after lunch, there were 6 girls. There were 6 girls and 4 boys. And 4 boys. There were 10 children. There were 10 children in the whole line. In the whole line. So just checking, I've got my part of 6, yes, my part of 4, and my whole of 10. Now it's your turn.